there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we're going to go over how to create a lead report. This screen might look familiar to you. It is the home screen for your Salesforce account. So typically this is what it will look like. A few things to note before we get started. I am in the Sales Console. This may affect what you see and what you don't see up here in this top ribbon up at the top. To change that, you just go to the 3x3 up here, and then you look for sales, or you type sales into the search bar. So let's jump into our reports. So up here in this top ribbon, we go to reports. It'll take us to this page, and we want to create a new report. Okay, so now we have report types. So this will dictate what we see. So if it's, let's go to the leads tab. So we can see different information on our leads. We could see just our leads, no other objects, so no other opportunities or accounts with leads, contacts with leads, that type of thing. We could just see only leads and no information from any other type of group. So then we also have leads with converted lead information. So after the leads, of course, have been converted, you'd be able to see kind of what opportunities they went into. We could also see lead history. I just want to go with leads and click continue. All right, so let's look first at our filters. So we're currently just showing my leads, and any leads that are created, let's see, today's the 27th, any leads that have been created in the last week. So I'm going to change this to have it be leads created all time. Click apply, so this will go back all the time. I do need to click this to have it update while I'm working on it. So then any leads that have been created since the inception of our Salesforce instance, I'll be able to see. And I want to see not only my leads, but I want to see all leads. If you're just creating a report for yourself to maybe look at active leads or leads that are in a certain stage, then you may want to change this to be to who's owning it. There are other filters that we can add. So let's go by lead stage. It is status for leads. And I want to see the ones that we are working on and contacted as an entire organization. So here we go. We have about 12 leads that we are currently active, working on, contacted. And you want to make sure that this is all information that's coming in from your people that are working on the leads. So if they have not put the status of their individual lead as contacted or working contacted, then they won't show up here. Let's go ahead and I'll show you one more thing before we get going, or a couple more things about how to add different fields. So all these different columns are fields. We don't need everything. We don't need all of these things. I don't need to see email if I'm just looking quickly, or the street. We can move things. So I want to see the lead owner up at the top. So I moved my name over here, and then we can see the lead's name. We can also add some fields either on this column list, or we can add them from this side where we can have all the information. Let's see, I want to see a number here. If we can find that. Let's do annual revenue is one thing that I'd want to see. I'll put it after the company and the account. Let's collapse this field. And then we can also add some groups. So if I wanted to see the leads by lead source, we can group that, and then you'd be able to see, so these 4 came from the web, And we are subtotaling it here. To toggle that or to change it, you'd either click, unclick. Under this little caret down arrow, summarize. You could do the average, max, min. I like to do summarize on these types of things. So what your total active leads, working active leads, it would show here at the bottom. And then if you broke it down by group, you'd also be able to see the web, their annual revenue, based upon lead source, all that fun stuff. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach down below in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as fast as possible. If you like this video, be sure to like it, and I'll catch you in the next one.